Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you friends? I hope you all fine and good. Today I'm back with very beautiful and very stylish collection of crochet shoes design ideas for women. As in this video you will see beautiful and amazing ideas of crochet shoes. So I hope you love all the designs, all the ideas. You can see in this video all designs are very beautiful, very attractive, and you can find these types of beautiful crochet shoes in different color contrast also. So I hope you love all the designs, and this collection is very useful for you. So guys, which you have to do, just watch this video till the end and you will get many beautiful and amazing ideas. All designs, all ideas of crochet shoes are very beautiful, very stylish, and guys, these are very comfortable shoes. So I hope you love all the designs, and this collection is very useful for you. Guys, if you have any knowledge about crochet work, then you can make these types of beautiful crochet shoes themselves by getting many ideas, many designs from this video. And you can also make these types of beautiful crochet shoes from those people who have any knowledge about crochet work. And the crochet works nowadays very trendy, so you can easily buy these types of beautiful crochet shoes from market and from any online shop. So for this guys, just watch this video, take a screenshot and then buy it from market and from any online shop. All designs are very stylish, very beautiful, and I am sure after wearing these types of beautiful crochet shoes you are looking so beautiful, so stylish. And guys, mostly people say that shoes makes a personality show, so then the shoes must have to be good. So in this video you will see beautiful and amazing ideas of crochet shoes. So select the best and beautiful shoes from this video. So if you're loving all the beautiful ideas of crochet shoes, so please do also like my video and subscribe my channel. And also click bell icon. After clicking the bell icon you will get my new videos notification and you never miss any video or any collection on my channel. Guys, I always trying to bring a useful collection for you, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and share my videos. I need your help, so please help me, support me for sharing my videos with your friends and relatives. And you can also suggest me in comment section what kind of videos would you like to see on my channel, so that I can upload my next videos according to your choice and demand also, because your choice is very important for me. So see you soon in next videos with new amazing and trendy ideas, inshallah. So guys, take care of you and your family a lot. Remember me in your precious prayers and respect your parents, love your parents, be positive, always stay connected with me. And guys, don't forget to like and share my videos, please support me. Allah Hafiz.